Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When guests are over, I like serving them something to munch on. It can be a gorgeous charcuterie board, canapé, tapas, and so on. Ones that are always fun to serve are dips. They're tasty plus easy to make, like this one. Greek Eggplant Dip, also called Melitzanosalata. My pronunciation is probably off a bit. Anyway, it's made with eggplants, some onions and garlic with a nice range of spices. It's very delicious and super healthy. So let's get cooking. Here are a couple gorgeous eggplants, and we'll cut them in half lengthwise. Then, using a fork, we'll poke several holes on their skin. Otherwise, the steam can escape and get trapped, which can cause them to blow up. Not really what we want. We'll brush the flesh with oil, covering the entire surface, and place them, flesh side down, on a baking sheet lined with foil that has been lightly greased. We'll transfer them to a 425-degree preheated oven and bake for 45 minutes or until very soft. Halfway through cooking, it's not a bad idea to turn the baking sheet around. There's always a hotter spot in the oven. When time is up, we'll remove from the heat and allow them to cool off for a good 20 minutes or until we can handle them. Now that they're no longer scorching hot, we'll scoop the flesh into a colander and discard the skin. We'll let it drain for about 30 minutes, and if we want, we can push the flesh down to extract more liquid. The last thing we want is a wet dip, and look at this, there's already some liquid. So, half an hour later, we're ready to make the recipe. We'll drop the eggplant in the bowl of a food processor before adding some roughly chopped garlic, half a cup of red onions, then fresh chopped parsley, and fine breadcrumbs. Now, the seasoning. We'll add ground cumin, followed by smoked paprika, some red pepper flakes, of course, ground sea salt, and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll also add freshly squeezed lemon juice and lemon zest. Next, we'll put the lid on, remove the pusher, and pulse until slightly smooth. After a few pulses, we'll stop the appliance and stir so the ingredients on top can get to the bottom. Otherwise, we'll end up with a puree, not a dip. We'll put the lid back on and pulse a few times. At the end, we'll quickly pour in a couple tablespoons of olive oil while the machine is running. Don't overdo it, okay? Then we'll clean the sides of the bowl, and the consistency we're looking for is this. If there are little chunks here and there, it's fine. We'll now add the last ingredient, which is roasted red peppers. Put the lid back on and pulse a few times until just combined. We're technically done, but it's up to you if you want to pulse more. The consistency I like is this. There are tiny chunks in it. It's spreadable, but not smooth like a pâté. When we're satisfied with it, we'll transfer to a serving bowl, drizzle a tablespoon of oil on top, then garnish with sliced black olives, crumble the feta cheese, and sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our Greek eggplant dip called Melitzanosalata. Healthy and tasty, this recipe is great to enjoy as a dip, but also along with grilled meats. It's another wonderful way to enjoy eggplants. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!